Here you got another eBay package. I believe this is gonna be my very last one for a long time, unless if I can find good deals, like light bulbs. I wouldn't pay any more than $50 for a light bulb lot. Yes, I already received a few defective bulbs and stuff. So I believe these are speakers. It feels like a little fleshy in there, but I'm still gonna make sure they're speakers. They're actually just cheap speakers. Decided to order more King of speakers. I fucking hate them. This might be overstated as well. Oh, it feels hard. So they're probably King of speakers. Yep. Got the shipping label off. Very well packaged. Took a while for the phone to deliver and they didn't even respond. Like fucking hilarious. But I could have asked for a refund if they didn't deliver. Plus eBay's good at like taking things seriously and stuff. Are off. There we go. Yep. The cheapest, one of the cheapest speakers ever. I'm not gonna keep these. These are piece of shit computer speakers. They're the King of PS205B. I had these before. I remember having them back in like 2008. How's it? Oh, like scratched. I already saw the like that in the pictures. I'm sure they probably work. It's not like too like cheap. The housing of the speaker drivers are really shitty. Yeah, that's the power button, the headphone jack. I don't know if these still sell these. They should just be very hilarious. They're not good at all. You can get a good Bluetooth speaker these days for like a little bit more. At least it has an AC plug. I really fucking hate those. Like, I really don't hate them, but I just don't want a DC plug. It's very fucking bulky. The transformer's like built into this main speaker. It's the right speaker, I believe. That would be the left speaker, I believe. Just look how thin the cables are, though. Because it could snap. Plus, it's just so like cheap wires. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.